Hello friends, welcome back to the Electroledge where the knowledge makes effect. This is Chandrakant and today we are going to discuss about the relation between alpha and beta. First of all, what is alpha? Alpha and beta are the current amplification factor, or we can call this amplification factor of respective, that is in the common base mode or in the common emitter mode. Okay. So this topic is related to the transistor. If you haven't watched my video of transistor, please go to the top right corner. You will see the I button. Click on that and you will get my video of transistor. Plus you will get the video of bipolar junction transistor and field effect transistors. So let's begin with the relation between alpha and beta.
तो चलो शुरू करते हैं रिलेशन बिटवीन अल्फ़ा एंड बीटा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी सी द सर्किट डायग्राम ऑफ कॉमन बेस मोड एंड कॉमन इमीटर मोड. सो इन द कॉमन बेस मोड the base is the common for the input and the output. So let's see the diagram. The base terminal here is common, which is grounded to the, let's see, this is an emitter and this is collector. So I have drawn this diagram on the different side. So this is base. So this is an input terminal and this is a output terminal. Okay. So let's see the common emitter mode. In common emitter mode, emitter is common for output and the input. So this is the emitter, this is base and this is the collector junction. So here emitter is common for base, that is input side, and the collector, which is of output side. So these are the two different circuit diagrams of common base mode and common emitter mode. So according to the relation between alpha and beta, what is alpha? Alpha is equal to the IC upon IE. Okay, IC means collector current and IE means emitter current. So this is the equation number 1. And in the common emitter mode, you can see the value of beta is equals to IC upon IB. Okay, so collector current to the base current. Okay, so you can see the base current over here. This is base current IB, collector current IC, emitter current IE. Here you can see IB, IC, IE. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram and the equation 1 and equation number 2. So the equation for alpha is IC upon IE and the equation for beta is IC upon IB. Okay, so first thing I want to tell you this, the beta, which is also called as the transport factor in the common emitter mode. Okay, so alpha is defined in the common base mode. Okay, so we are going to see the relation between alpha and beta. Okay, so the one more thing I want to tell you, the value of alpha is in between 0.95 to 0.99, and the value of beta is near about 1, you can say 1. Okay, so let's see the relation. So you have equation number 1, you have equation number 2, and one more equation number 3, which is IE equals to IC plus IB. That is, the emitter current is equals to the collector current plus base current. Okay, so this is the total current flowing through the transistor. Okay, so first of all, we take equation number 1, which is alpha is equals to IC upon IB. Okay, IE, alpha upon IC upon IE. So that was the equation number 1. So we are going to divide this equation, dividing the equation on the numerator as well as denominator, dividing numerator and denominator by IB, beta current IB. So the equation will become alpha is equals to IC upon IB upon, that is, IE upon IB. Okay, so we know the value of IE. Okay, the value of IE from equation number 3, the value of IE is equals to IC upon IC plus IB. Okay, so put the equation number 3 in above equation. Okay, so the value of alpha will be IC upon IB upon the value of IE will be IC plus IB, that is IC plus IB upon IB. Okay, so separate this and you will get alpha is equals to, you know the value of IC upon IB. IC upon IB is beta. We know the IC upon IB is beta. Okay, so alpha is equals to beta upon IB will be 1 plus IC upon IB will be beta. This is the alpha is equals to beta upon 1 plus beta. Okay, so on the other hand, if you want to calculate the value of beta, let's see the value which is in the denominator, transfer it to the numerator on the other hand. So it will become alpha plus alpha beta equals to beta. Okay, so we have transferred the denominator to the numerator side. Okay, so now let's see, this alpha beta will go to the another side. So it will become alpha is equals to beta minus alpha beta. Okay, so common this beta term, so you will get alpha is equals to beta will taken as a common, so beta in bracket 1 minus alpha. Okay, so this 1 minus alpha will go to the denominator side and you will get the value beta is equals to alpha upon 1 minus alpha. So this is the value of beta. So you get the relation between alpha and beta from here. The value of alpha will be beta upon 1 plus beta, and the value of beta is alpha upon 1 minus alpha. So hope you like this video, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share this video to the needy ones. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. This is Chandrakant signing off. Thank you.